Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making penne pasta with sausage in a Ninja Speedy. Alright, I'm starting out in my Ninja Speedy, and this is a really easy 3-ingredient meal that's going to taste like it's homemade. Your family won't believe it. I'm starting out with a 1-pound box of raw penne pasta. I'm going to get this down into the Speedy. And I have a 24-ounce jar of pasta sauce. I'm using Ragu today, but store brand is just as delicious and a lot cheaper, guys. So, come on, muscles. Hold on, guys. There we go. Getting old, guys. I'm getting old. I'm going to dump my sauce right in on top of the pasta. And I'm going to fill this jar up with water. I'm going to put the lid on and give it a shake to get all that goodness out the jar. A little easier that time. Now I'm going to dump my water in. Now I'm going to put some more water in. You want your water to come up over the top of your pasta by about 1/4 of an inch. So add a little more water in. And that's looking good right about there. That was about 1.25 jars of water. Now I'm going to put my tray in that comes with the Speedy. Fold out the little feet on it because we want to elevate it. Now I have 1 pound of sweet Italian sausage. This here is, let me see here, 6 links of sausage. I'm going to lay that in on top. And you just want to space them out a little bit that they're not touching, so you get that good browning action on them. Right, I'm going to close my lid down, and you want to make sure you're set on the rapid cook setting. Make sure that's on camera. Yeah, you have rapid cook and you have air fry. You want to be on rapid cook because you're going to do this on your Speedy meal. Alright, I'm going to turn my Speedy on. It's set at 390. I'm going to leave it there. I'm going to set my time for 15 minutes. Now this is going to come up to temperature. While it's steaming that pasta, it's going to air fry and steam that sausage and get it really cooked and golden brown and delicious. Now halfway through the cooking cycle, 7.5 minutes, I'm going to go in and turn that sausage over so we get a nice even browning on both sides and one side isn't really dark. It's not necessary, but for best results you should do that. Alright guys, my Speedy's done. I'm going to pull my sausage out. You can see it. Now see how nice and golden brown that is, and I turned that over halfway through that 15-minute cooking process. Had I left it go, it'd probably be nice and burnt on one side and tan on the other. Let me get rid of this little tray in here. You can't see this, guys, but I will be bringing the camera over so you can't see. I'm going to cut my sausage up into bite-sized pieces. You can see my sausage is cooked through. I won't keep you here while I cut all this sausage up, but when I'm ready to add it in, I'll bring it back. Now you can see how my pasta drank up all that liquid nicely. I'm going to add my sausage here. Look at how nice and golden brown that sausage is, guys. I'm going to stir that into the pasta. And we have a little bit of liquid in the bottom, but this is just going to soak that right up like a dry sponge. This pasta loves liquid. And I'm going to stir my sausage in. And I tried a little piece of sausage, guys. The casing has a nice crisp to it. Sausage is moist. This is ready to go, guys. Let's go ahead and fix up the plate and see what we got. Went ahead and I topped this with some fresh grated Parmesan cheese and some parsley for color. Let me get in here and try this. I'm going to start with the pasta, guys. Get a little bit of that cheese on there. Pasta's tender. Soaked up the flavor of that sauce. That's really delicious. Get a little bit of sausage. Sausage is moist. Casing on it is crisp. Has a nice snap to it. Has that good Italian sausage flavor, and it picked up the flavor from the sauce. Guys, that's really delicious. Really easy. One pot cooking. Alright, there you have it. Penne pasta with sausage in a Ninja Speedy. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and until next time, love what you eat and eat what you love.